Hey everybody, just like I promised, we're back and we're gonna be making Mussels Marinara today. But first, you see my mother's birthday glass? We have to wish my mother a very happy 75th birthday.
Hi everyone.
Right? Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Love you.
Thank you.
And for you, today, I'm gonna make some Mussels Marinara.
I love Mussels Marinara.
Now, everyone makes it a little different. There's their own spices. Today, I'm gonna give you what I consider one of the best Mussels Marinara you're ever gonna have. So, we're gonna get all the ingredients, and when we be back, we're gonna show you everything you need to make those fantastic Mussels Marinara.
Delicious.
Here we are, Mussels Marinara. This is what you got. You got roughly quarter cup of fine chopped shallots. One big shallot will do you, right? Some fresh chopped parsley, some ribbon basil, San Marzano tomatoes, whole, we're gonna hand crush those. A little salt and pepper. You got your fresh garlic with your garlic grating dish. Right? Some Sauvignon blanc, and of course our Bono olive oil, and the star of the show, the mussels. All right? Ma?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you the honors of squeezing the San Marzano tomatoes.
I will do that, but first I want to make sure make sure you scrub your mussels, make sure if there's any beards, you pull them off, and then they'll be nice and ready for the pot.
Is that like steer beard? All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this all over to the stove. We're gonna get everything ready, and we're gonna show you the first steps. Are gonna be to saute our shallots, and I'm gonna grate that garlic on the garlic grating dish. Okay, here we are, and the first thing that we're gonna deal with is the garlic and the shallots. Got your tomatoes and fresh herbs over there. I'm gonna turn this on, and not too hot, because we're gonna saute, right? And while that's heating up, the first thing we'll do, as you know my favorite thing in the world, is to grate this garlic. And that mush right there is golden garlic goodness. Ugh, skin gone. Okay, now we come up to the Tin Man. Give ourselves a little bit of oil. Once you get the spoon, that oil get nice and hot. All right. Start with the shallots. And all right. And we're gonna lower just a little because we definitely don't want that to burn. All right. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna just bring these right to before they brown, just translucent, and we'll be back. Okay, we got Ma in the picture. See what that looks like? Beautiful. All right, nice and golden. Garlic, as you can see, come here, look at it. The garlic, it's gone, right? That mush, that just liquefied right in there. It looks like it's just, right, shallots and oil. Now, Ma, hit it with some wine.
Good?
Good.
Abast.
Abast. Okay. Now, we're going to let this come back to a simmer. We're going to reduce it by half. Then, my mother, she'll hand crush the San Marzanos.
Alright, so now we've reduced it by half. Now we're going to start hand crushing the San Marzanos. There's a can of San Marzano tomatoes. So here's what we're going to do. All that tomato goodness in it. This is going to make a beautiful sauce for our...
I'm going to come in with the matzah and give it a little stir as she's crushing.
And I'm pretty sure this is 128-ounce can of San Marzano tomatoes. Now we'll pour all the rest in. There we go. Okay. Tutto fatto. Nice.
Okay, now, what I'm going to do, this is incorporating, I'm just going to give it some nice fresh cracked pepper, right? And my mother loves the Himalayan sea salt, I just want to see, I like to see, you know, everyone's shaker is different. So I kind of want to see what I'm getting in there because, you know, remember, you can always add salt. You really can't take it away. So what we're going to do is we're going to lower this. We're going to let it simmer about 10 minutes or so, let everything get incorporated, and then we're going to bring out the stars of the show, the mussels. Okay, guys, as you can see, we've gone about 10, 11, 12 minutes maybe. Ma, add those mussels.
And this is about maybe 2 pounds of mussels, Tim?
Okay.
2.5, yeah. Make sure they're not open first. Always check your seafood, make sure it's nice and fresh. And a little bit of juice.
A little bit of juice. Yeah. Okay, now what I'm gonna do quick, right? Just gonna give it a little bit of fresh parsley, because these mussels, guys, I'm telling you right now, they're not gonna take too long. And a little bit of that ribboned basil. We'll save a little for a garnish at the end. We're gonna just give that a quick incorporation. Oh.
Yeah, now we're gonna steam it for, you know, a couple of minutes till they open.
All right, here we go, guys. And we'll be back when they're ready. All right, guys, wasn't that easy? Nah. Nah, the final product.
So good.
How awesome are these? Tell you what, guys.
Delish.
You know when something's so good, it makes you laugh? This is one of those things for me. Oh, and they're so tender.
Yeah, don't cook them too long. Just till they open, because this way then
Okay,
they're just perfect.
Guys, this, oh.
Oh my God.
I'm not sure what's better, the mussels or the bread. I'm going in on the opposite end. I didn't double dip.
I did.
Did she? Say.
You gotta make this recipe. It's delicious.
Guys, this is fantastic. I hope you tried this. Let us know what you think. Remember, all the ingredients are in the video description box. And until next time, don't forget to live, laugh, and cook Italian. I'm going in.
Me too.
He's not gonna make it.
Save some for Dave, my husband.
Dave and some for nothing. No one's getting any. Luckily, there's more in the pan. Nice. And you come in here, we'll get a little bit of the chunk of tomato with it.
Look at my fingers.
As you can see, we're having a mussel moment right here.
Bye.
Bye, guys.